So we're taking a little break from the E30 today. We're gonna be painting my 1986 BMW K75. I'm excited. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be flaked out. So that's warming up and getting painted. And we're currently prepping everything for paint. All right. So this is the same color we're doing for the motorcycle. It's a little blue flake. It's gonna look good. But we still have a long way to go. We got some of it done. Get this off. I'm taking a little break out here while she's painting because it's pretty fogged up. I need to breathe, and I can't when she's doing that shit. Bike's almost ready to paint. We're just scraping off the final pieces of residue from the gas tank, and then we'll put some glue on it.
I feel like that one hack job painter, his name was
So what's going on?
I hate my life.
The reducer's just...
The reducer got left outside and it was chunky and it didn't go away.
And the chunks are transferred.
The chunks look like they went away because they did not go away.
So we gotta come back and unchunkify it.
Check.
We're painting.
I'm angry!
So, one more go.